Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable dal soup full guide. Start by rinsing 1 cup split red lentils, then chop carrots, tomatoes, and spinach and measure spices. Cook lentils in 3 cups water until soft, temper cumin and mustard seeds in oil, add garlic and onion, then mix in vegetables. Simmer 5 to 10 minutes, finish with lemon juice and cilantro, taste and season with salt, and serve hot with rice or bread. Use a tempering of oil, cumin, mustard seeds, and asafoetida for authentic flavor, then add garlic, ginger, and onions until golden. Stir in turmeric, coriander, and chili powder to bloom the spices. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until they break down into a saucy base. Combine cooked lentils with the spiced base, adjust consistency with stock or water, simmer briefly, and finish with a squeeze of lemon. Serve warm and enjoy the comforting flavors. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes. Robot face: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control. On another note, it keeps your kitchen floors tidy so you spend more time cooking and less time sweeping. Check the description for the link and deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. To speed cooking, soak lentils for 15 minutes or use a pressure cooker for 5 to 8 minutes. No pre-soak still works with longer simmer. For creamier texture, mash some dal against the pot sides or add coconut milk. For extra protein, stir in cooked chickpeas or tofu cubes. Store leftovers in the fridge for up to 4 days, reheat gently, and refresh with lemon and fresh herbs before serving to brighten flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.